Today I'll show you a trick to add light to a lamp or anything else that you want just right in Photoshop. First, create a new layer. Change blend mode to color dodge. Click the FX icon to choose blending option. In this window, uncheck blend clip layers as group. Then confirm. Pick up brush tool, B shortcut. Flow around 20%. White in foreground. Just dab to add a bit of light to the lamp. No worry about the color. Create another layer. This time decrease the flow to 15%. Increase brush size with bracket on the keyboard and dab in the middle of the shot of light. Then increase the size gradually after adding light to it. Once you're done, change to overlay in blend mode. Create a color lookup adjustment layer. Choose Moonlight preset in 3D LUT file. Keep using brush to create lights until you're satisfied with it. Next, open blending option. Choose outer glow. Opacity around 65%. Adjust range to the point you see fit. 16% should be okay. Change blend mode to screen. Select the color of the light that you want. Just play around with this option to find out what will suit your personal reference. That's it. Hope that you like this video. Like, subscribe to our channel to get more tips on a daily basis. Bye bye.